Okay.
Go. You ready?
Yep. Burr.
Hey guys, it's a Q&A, and what I'm going to do, ready? I'm going to do questions. That's basically what Q&A is all about, but that's what we're doing. Right, so we're doing questions. First one is, have you ever ate a dog? No, I haven't, but I'm going to try now. Yes, and it's disgusting. What? Do you have any pets? Yeah, I do. I got a pussy cat. No, she's not in.
I'm standing well back.
I got a pussy cat. And she is well tasty. Right, so what's the next one? What phone are you recording with right now? Samsung. Obvious. Obvious. Samsung all the way. Samsung all the way.
Are those actually questions?
Yeah?
Oh.
Go away, Kira.
Listen, let them see all the questions.
No, because this is prize. Are you going to do any more forfeit FIFAs? Oh, hell no! No, none. I delete that video because it was so disgusting. Well, I nearly puked at the end of that video. I just didn't like it. But I tell you what, guys, let's do it now.
You have to make this drink. No, this drink.
Gotta make this
without water. This is the tray.
Oh, where's the glass? Use this one.
Water. That's enough. Oh, go really?
I hate you guys. Never doing that again. I promise you guys I'll finish this.
Are you actually tasting? You being sick.
That's how what. So guys, never do that. It is disgusting.
Do you let me taste?
Is that?
Let me taste it. Let me taste it.
Alright, Kira's gonna do it.
Oh my god.
She's just copying me.
Oh, it's disgusting.
Guys, it's actually a true fact that can affect your lungs, so don't do it. Yeah, check out. Go for more questions.
Sorry about that, guys.
More questions? Oh, wow.
Wait!
Feels like a close.
Jesus, how?
What are you cooking? You're not videoing this.
Right. Is that still drinking it here? What's that?
Ew, that's coffee. Coffee! Wait, no, it's apple juice.
Guys. Never do that. Oh yeah, guys.
The camera.
I'm gonna go to 30, and that's just gonna be about yeah. So guys, it's the end of the video.